Question number 1.
Had I known about the test, I'd dash harder. A. Would study. B. Would have studied. C. Studied.
Question number 2.
It's time she'd dash more responsibility. A. Takes. B. Took. C. Had taken.
Question number 3.
Not until the show ended dash to leave. A. We began. B. Did we begin? C. Had we began.
Question number 4.
No sooner had I entered the room dash the phone rang. A. When. B. Then. C. Then.
Question number 5.
If he dash earlier, he wouldn't have missed the flight. A. Left. B. Had left. C. Was leaving.
Question number 6.
She speaks English as if she dash a native speaker. A. Is. B. Were. C. Has been.
Question number 7.
Neither of the boys dash doing their homework. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 8.
The committee dash reached a decision. A. Has. B. Have. C. Are.
Question number 9.
I suggested that she dash early. A. Leaves. B. Leave. C. Left.
Question number 10.
If only I dash more careful. A. Were. B. Had been. C. Have been.
Question number 11.
The more you argue, dash I become. A. The angrier. B. Angrier. C. The more angry.
Question number 12.
Little dash what the future holds. A. We know. B. Do we know? C. Had we known.
Question number 13.
Each of the students dash given a prize. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are.
Question number 14.
He insisted that she dash present at the meeting. A. B. B. Is. C. Was.
Question number 15.
Seldom dash such beautiful art. A. I saw. B. Have I seen. C. Had I seen.
Question number 16.
The teacher, as well as the students, dash excited. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 17.
I would rather you dash a not come. A. Do. B. Did. C. Had.
Question number 18.
Neither the manager nor the employees dash aware. A. Is. B. Are. C. Has been.
Question number 19.
Not only dash late, but he also forgot the notes. A. He was. B. Was he. C. Did he.
Question number 20.
If I dash you, I would not go. A. Am. B. Were. C. Was.
Question number 21.
The book, together with the notes, dash on the table. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 22.
I wish she'd dash come yesterday. A. Had. B. Would. C. Have.
Question number 23.
So loud dash that everyone turned around. A. The noise was. B. Was the noise. C. The noise.
Question number 24.
The police dash looking into the matter. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was.
Question number 25.
It's essential that she dash here on time. A. Is. B. B. C. Was.
Question number 26.
Had he worked harder, he dash passed. A. Would. B. Will have. C. Would have.
Question number 27.
Not only dash but also honest. A. He is smart. B. Smart he is. C. Is he smart?
Question number 28.
The dog, along with its puppies, dash sleeping. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 29.
He acts as if he dash everything. A. No. B. Knew. C. Knows.
Question number 30.
Rarely dash such a disturbing film. A. Have I seen? B. I have seen. C. I had seen.
Question number 31.
I demand that he dash immediately. A. Leave. B. Leave. C. Left.
Question number 32.
She would come if she dash time. A. Had. B. Has. C. Have.
Question number 33.
The CEO and founder dash speaking now. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 34.
If you dash me, I wouldn't be here. A. Didn't support. B. Hadn't supported. C. Weren't supporting.
Question number 35.
No one but John and Sarah dash guilty. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 36.
Such dash his fear that he couldn't speak. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 37.
If it dash for her, we would have failed. A. Hadn't been. B. Weren't. C. Isn't.
Question number 38.
He suggested that we dash the meeting. A. Cancel. B. Cancelled. C. Have cancelled.
Question number 39.
Dash he been warned, he might have acted differently. A. Has. B. Had. C. If.
Question number 40.
He talks as though he dash everything. A. No. B. Knew. C. Knows.
Question number 41.
Each of the books dash interesting. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 42.
Neither she nor her friends dash invited. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
Question number 43.
The news dash shocking. A, or B, or C, is.
Question number 44.
I suggest that she dash more careful. A, B, is C, was.
Question number 45.
If I dash seen him, I'd have said hello. A, would have B, had C, did.
Question number 46.
It's high time we dash going. A, get B, got C, had got.
Question number 47.
Not only the students but also the teacher dash confused. A, were B, was C, are.
Question number 48.
The manager insisted that he dash the work again. A, does B, did C, do.
Question number 49.
She behaved as though she'd dash everything. A, has known. B, knew. C, knows.
Question number 50.
He acts as if he dash the boss. A, is B, were C, has been.
How did you score? Tell us your score in the comments below. Share this quiz with your friends and family, challenge their English too. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Talk Learner for more fun grammar quizzes every day. Let's learn together and grow together. Thanks a lot for watching. Once again, take care and have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye bye and keep smiling.